Hey, what is the scene? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay. Today's a real casual video. I'm not feeling to be, overdoing it to be making a video today. So what we're doing, we're just going and run some tests on one of the strategies that I using on the PLEX bot. I spoke about it on the channel briefly. If you follow me on Discord, spoke about it a lot more there. If you want to follow me on Discord, there's a link in the description to join. Right. So we're just going to look at the first strategy that the PLEX bot is trading. PLEX trades 4 different strategies at the moment, all completely independent of each other, and it manages all the trades completely independent as well. So in this video, we're going to look at the 1 bar IBS. We look at the backtest, take a look at the results, and in the next video, we'll look at the next strategy in it. So with that being said, there we go. Alright, so there is the first one out of the 4 strategies that killing it so far. So if we look at the settings, we have the 1 bar IBS. We'll have that on, so it's set to true. All the other strategies are off at the moment. And we trading it on the daily time frame. We're using a 40 period exponential as the super smoother in order to determine the market direction. We have IBS entry 0.1 and we have an exit 0.79. Right, the exit type is IBS. As you can see, we have multiple exit types available, but the best one is using the IBS exit, which uses this value to exit the market. We have a risk of 0.5 and well, the magic number is 101. So if we scroll down here to the global settings, so these settings affect the entire chart, and you can see here we have the equity stop. So if the equity drops below 25%, it would stop trading and it would close all open trades. Slippage of 3 and max spread at 200. The HUD just adjusts the HUD size depending on the monitor size. So starting with our 10K account, we trading on a daily chart using a spread of 150 because the NASDAQ range is between that. We will change here to the NASDAQ, and we are using the control point. We'll use the control point because every tick will take too long, even though it would be more accurate. We don't need every tick because the market, all the strategies are based on close price. So it wouldn't take a trade during the middle of the day. It would only wait until the end of a day and, then take the trade. So yeah, we're testing from 2019 all the way to the current date. And yeah, let me just run the test and take a look at it. And I'll get back to you once the test finished. All right, so there you have it. That wasn't a bad return. You can see we have about 280% growth on your account with 16.9% drawdown and 80% profitable trades. So not bad at all. Um, so this is just the first strategy being the one bar IBS. So in the next video, I will do the two bar IBS and we'll take a look at that.